Welcome to the deep blue sea. Today we are going to bring this magnificent dolphin to life. We'll begin with light blue for number 3. This color fills in the upper background the sky, the water surface, and large open areas. It gives us a bright, airy start. Next, let's create depths in the ocean. We use dark blue for number 4 for the deep water surrounding the dolphin. Now, dark gray for number 8 in the deepest shadows and wave crests. Now for the star of the show. The main body of the dolphin is gray for number 1. We'll use white for number 2 for the belly, the eye highlights, and a few rising bubbles, making it really shine. Let's add some life to the ocean floor. Green for number 5 fills in these fluid, lower sections. Maybe it's a bed of seaweed or darker waves near the bottom. For our final touch, we have some fun pops of color. Use orange for number 6. And red for number 7 to fill these small, circular formations in the water. Take a look at that! Our dolphin is complete and leaping beautifully out of the water. The mix of blues and grays creates a realistic and serene ocean scene. Wonderful work on this piece! If you enjoyed this peaceful ocean coloring session, Please hit the like button and subscribe. Tell me which sea creature we should color next in the comments below. See you soon!